Welcome to Aerobrite Printing Machine Factory Limited. This is our latest product, sophisticated automatic screen printer for large, flat workpiece. S-1000F. Now currently, the whole machine is under automatic running. In the following stage, we'll do demonstration on how to make the rough setup and normal operation, and as well as the easily maintenance on this machine. Normally, this automatic screen printer requires the compression air at 5 bar. That's normal degree. Okay, first step, we have to determine the height of the printing. Press the first test button all over the control panel. Obviously, the current printing height is a little bit high, so we have to reduce the printing head. Now we have to make an adjustment behind the machine. Open the behind protection cover and loosen the both sides sideways hand lock. Loosen, and then now we are turning the hand wheel, turning the handbar. Currently, the whole printing head assembly is reducing. Now the printing head is remain decline. Okay, now after a certain height of printing head assembly is achieved, then tighten each hand lock handle, and then we can make trial printing. Okay, till now the satisfied height of the printing assembly is determined. Okay, then we get into the next stage, that's install the squeeze and blade. Lowering down the whole printing head assembly and take out the blade and squeeze clamp. So insert the squeeze to the squeeze clamp and tighten each screw, and then install back to the printing head assembly. Due to the ductor blade, ink current blade is already installed, so we just only need to install the squeegee. Tighten each fixed knob. Okay, installation of squeegee is finished. Then we prepare insert the large screen stencil.
那装了网板，这个装上去，这里松开这里边，松了让你拍上，我装上去了，这里松开，放这个回进入高速了。
And then finally tighten each fixed knob. Now we lift up the squeegee and blade to the highest position. This is to make adjustment to the height of the assembly. Make the distance. Make sure that ensuring that the squeegee and the ductor blade stick to the surface of screen stencil properly. This is the test button for squeegee and blade up and down position test. Now also we have to make examination to the printing stroke or printing assembly head. This is dependent on the dimension of the pattern which we have to print on. Also on the control panel, the second button is test for the is functioned as to test printing stroke. And the printing stroke is determined by two sensors, two sideway. This is the first side, left sideway sensor, and here you can see this is the right side sensor. Now we enlarge the printing stroke. Okay, choose properly position and then fix. Okay, till now the properly printing stroke, the traveling stroke of printing head assembly is determined. This is soft control for the printing stroke. Another hardware. Another way to control the print stroke is make adjustment to this lock handle. Same principle. In the right side, in another one. This is both two ways to control the printing stroke. If the soft control for the printing stroke is failed, then the hard one can function. So this is to prevent from the damage of the screen stencil. Now we insert the pedal switch to control the whole machine. Currently, the machine is under step-by-step working mode. Now the screen stencil's lowering speed is increased. Now press the pedal switch once, the machine make one motion. Okay, the another stage we go into the mode of second working mode. One circle printing mode. Okay, now we choose one circle printing mode. Let's see the result. Once pressed on the pedal switch, the machine will make one complete circle of printing. Now we choose the third working mode, it's automatic printing mode. On this printing mode, without pressing the pedal switch, machine will work automatically. Now obviously, the printing speed is quite high. So we have to make the interval time is longer. Then that ensures us can take out the workpiece and loading the workpiece. Now we set the interval time between two working cycles at 2 seconds. We can see after once printing, the machine will wait, and then we have time to take out the complete finished workpiece and load in another one for another one's printing. This is automatic printing. Now we are going to make adjustment to the ducter blade, ink covering blade pressure. Normally it requires 4 bar compression air pressure. The method is simple. Lift up for one gauge of the black bottle and then make a turning. After that, put it down. And same principle, we have to make adjustment to the pressure of the squeeze. the pressure of the squeeze must be at 4 bar. That's normally. After finish, push down the gauge block. Okay, laser machine under automatic printing. Now, the operator is intending to make adjustment to the panel, the plane degree of the screen stencil. The method is simple to adjust, make turning to this. Now the operator is intending to make adjustment to the speed and the lifting speed. Now we can see this the work table is with a function of suction. So we have to turn on this power. That's suction motor. Now we can see the newspaper is suctioned by the work table. Under one circle printing, this switch must be at one circle printing mode. When automatic printing, take it to automatic function. Okay, once printing stroke is finished, then it's easy to take out because the suction automatically stopped. But when printing, the suction functioned. And here's the attention. If the workpiece is smaller than the dimension of the whole suction table, the area beyond the workpiece should be sticked strictly. Then the suction table will give strong sticking power to the workpiece. Now this is the emergency stop. This function to prevent operator from injury. And this is the smaller one. The function is the same as the outside emergency stop protection structure. While the normal printing, press once the emerging stop, then automatically the printing head will lift up. This is to ensuring operator safety. Okay, now if you want to stop the machine, you have to switch. Make the squeeze and blade to up position. Then the whole printing assembly head will lift up. It's easy to take out the strength tensor. Okay, finally let's take a look at the control panel. This is the Siemens PLC program controller. Okay, the machine is automatically entering into the first menu. This menu we can see the total printing times and the interval time between two working circle parameter setting. Now operator is intending to set the interval time between the working circle. Make it to set it automatically. After the intention parameter settled, then press enter to confirm. Okay, now let's go to the second main menu. Now this main menu we can set the ink covering speed and ink squeezing speed. Now we are reduced the ink covering speed and the squeezing speed. Okay, now let's go to the third main menu. Under this main menu, we can set the whole printing stencil, the lifting speed, and the ink covering. Okay, this is the monitor menu. Okay, that's all of the function the machine contains. We can set each parameter easily through this Siemens PLC controller. Okay, till now the whole operation, the demonstration on this machine is over. Thanks for watching.